Okay, I don't know this one's very good, but I like it. It's our song, baby. Do you hear me talking to you? Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams.
This is your part.
Feel you whisper across the sea. Keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again.
They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where I have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday.
And so I'm sailing through the sea
To an island where we'll meet.
You hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a
Flower in your hair.
golden breezes through the trees. The most so pretty you're all I see. As the world keeps spinning round, you hold me right here, right now.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky I've been coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. I am lucky to be in love with you. And I'm even luckier that you're in love with me. I love you, baby.